Okay, so here you go. This is the Canon R5C. Quick look at it. Top-down view. So it looks like I've got a cage on this one. I think it's a tilde cage. Small rig, maybe? Small rig. Okay. So you can sort of see it's very much like an SLR design, like a normal thing. And I mean, if you look at the R5, which was their stills one, it's sort of like, this has got an extension. It's got like a vented fan area, because on the R5 it had big issues with overheating when it was shooting certain things, but they got rid of all that. This thing shoots forever. So yeah, so it's basically a standard SLR design with the buttons on the back, your flip out screen, yeah, and you can watch everything. You can do it. So okay, so yeah, so buttons. So yeah, so if you've using an SLR, you're not going to have any problems with this, are you? And also, obviously, with a cage, you can build it out whatever you want. Now, this is RF mount, so if you want to access EF lenses, you need to get one of these, which is a Canon adapter, which is RF to EF. I've not noticed any difference in autofocus or capabilities like that. There's even ones you can get that have the like P-lock, the lock restraint on. So if you put a bigger lens on, you've got a restraint. And obviously, if you use big lens, you can build out rails underneath to hold the lens out the front. I've just got a basic 50 on the front. So let me talk about this thing that I'm talking about. So, okay, with a normal one of these cameras, you know, the hybrid type cameras, the moment you switch it on or into its like movie mode, it's you know, sort of like it's quite alien. You're not quite used to it. It's a bit weird, and you have to figure your way around it, like the Sony cameras. But with this, because if you used a Canon Cinema camera, they have basically a Cinema camera operating system. So if I switch on video, see if this thing lights up. So here we are, look. So the screen comes up on the right here, powers up, and if I switch into menu mode, now this is exactly, see it very well, this is exactly the same system I'd see on a C70, you know, C500, all these cameras, all their entire Cinema range of cameras. And you can just whiz along all the settings on here, just on the top. And it's literally exactly the same configuration. So it's as if it's not a stills camera.